I just came back from my workout. I got my lunch from the Konbini. INJelly, tuna mayo onigiri, tamago sando. In the beginning, when I came to Japan, I was quite happy to always go to the Konbini and grab these things. After a while, it starts to feel off. My body was just telling me this doesn't feel right. INJelly is so good, not gonna lie, but let's be honest now. In my opinion, all these foods like the, tamago sando, the onigiri, the INJelly should only be eaten if you really have no time or for a pick-me-up at work or stuff like that. So in the last few months that I've lived in Japan, I came up with some workout meals and I wanted to share them in this video today. For me, workout meals need to have 3 requirements. One is they have to be very easy to whip up. 2, they have to be with ingredients that are very accessible for me. And 3, it has to be nutritious. Simple and easy. Little disclaimer, this is what works for me. I like to eat low carb diet. Please, everything I'm saying, I'm not a dietitian, okay? Make how it works for you. Use this more as a means of inspiration rather than this is the way to eat. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first dish I want to talk about is a very simple banana yogurt. Let's begin. Pull 1, 2. It's a lazy way to cut your banana. Just a handful of nuts. Cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon. Alright. Maple syrup. That was super easy to make, right? I really enjoy eating this after my workout. Really refreshing. Just eating the yogurt I think is not enough. But you really need to add some kind of protein with this. Having it with boiled eggs or like a piece of fish or... Let's go to the next one. The second meal I'll be showing you is a English breakfast muffin with cheese, mayo and eggs. Cut this one in half. Put it on low, you know, with these things. Make sure you keep checking this. 1, 2. A bit of pepper and just too low, maybe medium. Something like that. Let's check these. Oh yes, ready. Let's put it all together. Mayo. Put on there. Okay. Also add some avocado, maybe half. If you want to add some extra spice, this will do the job. Okay, so I'll just plonk that on. Yay, kansei desu. Yay. And as you might be able to guess, this is really more of a high calorie one. And please don't expect to be able to eat this neatly. You just gotta dig in there. You're at home, so no one cares. That's so good. Alright, next up, Doenjiang jjigae. It might be surprising to some people I'm putting Doenjiang in this list, but I got myself a nabe recently, which was an awesome buy. And the reason I love making Doenjiang is because, unlike miso soup, with the Doenjiang paste you can actually boil it as long as you want. So you can just throw in everything in the pot and then just eat it. So it's a very quick way to still have, you know, a soup of some kind. On top of that, I really like the taste of the Doenjiang. We put the fire on. Alright. Now they fill it with water and put it on the fire. Like so. First I'll be adding in the potatoes because they take the longest to cook. Alright, so when it starts boiling, put in the onions. Let's slowly thing. You can pretty much put the rest in now. Okay, let's put in the paste. Usually I put around this much. Might need a little bit more. Okay, so 2 eggs. Just put that right in there. Just let that boil for a few minutes. So then finally you put in your tofu. 1, 2. Spring onions, of course. Bitty, 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 bitty. Just put that in the fridge. Kansei desu! Yay! After the workout, you look forward to having this, you know, and it's easy to whip up. So definitely give this a go. Don't burn your mouth. Oh my god, this egg is half boiled. Lucky. Let's go to the next dish. So there you have it, all the ingredients that you need. First, add in the garlic and ginger. You will start to smell a good smell. In the onions first. Give that some time. Because broccoli also takes a long time. Just to make that broccoli sweat a little bit, you know? Let's add everything except for the tomatoes. So what I will be doing is I'll add the tomatoes now. And after you add the tomatoes, put on the lid. Oops, I thought I was filming. Oh well. So I was just saying, depending on how much time you have, you can make the vegetables more soft, or you can already just continue putting half of the vegetables here and then just kind of breaking the eggs. So now the under part is becoming hard, right? So then you fold a little bit like that. You can still keep stirring this as well. Yeah, so that's good. So now we can mix the eggs. Seasoning time, salt, pepper. Today I'm feeling more Italian herbs. Great, so that's done. So this is the huge scrambled eggs. It seems like a lot, but there's actually no carbs in here. So what you can do is maybe eat half of it and have it with toast on the side or whatever works for you. But what I have done today is I made this, and I made a very small portion of the banana yogurt as well, which I will have on the side. So yummy. Anyways, let's go to the final dish. And my last mention is just a Japanese traditional breakfast. Let's prepare the salmon. Slap it on. Not need long. I can already tell you can flip it. Really a little bit. I do not like to add sugar. That's something that they love to do in Japan, but I'm not a fan. A layer of egg. Flip. This goes this way. Bit of egg. Ah! I swear I've done this before. And you flip. One more. Last one. Really under there. Flip. Flip. Yeah. You see, even though it looked like it was gonna be a complete disaster, it's not even that bad, you see? So anyone can make a tamagoyaki. So this is some rice I've got from the day before. I'm gonna put that in the microwave. 40 seconds? Oh, oops. I'm getting that. Oh, rice is done. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, so that's done. Let's put it on a bowl. I might cut a little bit more. This is just heaven on earth. You just plonk that on right here. Out of this as well. Bam. Japanese traditional meal. But if you live in Japan, I think it's a very easy to make thing, because these are all things if you stock them up in your fridge, you always have something to eat. So yeah, that brings me to the end of the video. It was a very simple one, but it was something that I really like to make because it was a process for me to figure out what I actually like eating. I think it's very important because I go work out quite regularly. Even if you're working out, if you're gonna keep on eating those processed Konbini foods, I feel it is detrimental to your body. So I found it very valuable to make this video, and I hope even if it can help one person to get some inspiration to just whip up something yourself, not even have to cook, you know. Some of these dishes like the yogurt is just simply throwing things together, and that will already be much healthier than what you get in the Konbini. You know, I always want to know, what do you like to eat after your workout? What do you think is really nutritious? What works for you? Please leave it down in the comment section below. I really would love to know, and I'll see you in my next video. I really need to take a shower now. I actually filmed this after a workout, so I'm really sweaty. Anyways, see you. Bye.